connected.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will be giving you a brief overview of the Sena 10S. The Sena 10S is an upgrade to one of our most popular Bluetooth headsets on the market. This upgrade includes the addition of the Bluetooth 4.1. Bluetooth 4.1 allows the 10S to work with the Sena app so that you can easily configure the settings on your headset and more. Secondly, it allows you to hear high-quality audio through the speakers. Along with the Bluetooth 4.1, the 10S also has a low-profile design for its slender profile, with an all-in-one clamp kit that allows you to switch between a wired microphone or a wired boom mic for communication. This all-in-one clamp kit allows the rider to hear high-quality audio with the speakers that are provided, or the rider can choose to use his own earbud and plug them into the built-in earbud port. The 10S has a variety of advanced features, such as the HD intercom, which allows two riders to communicate over the intercom in HD audio. Group intercom, which allows 4 riders to connect to each other easily to communicate over the intercom. Built-in FM radio that you can easily activate on your headset when you want to listen to music from your favorite radio station. You can simply use the Sena smartphone app to set up your presets for your favorite radio stations. And finally, the 1 mile intercom range. A 10S conversation in the line of sight can range up to 1 mile in distance. This has been a brief overview of the Sena 10S features. Thanks for watching and enjoy.